Today we're visiting Wudaoying Hutong. You have to go, yeah, that's it.
Oh, it's hard!
They must have heard we were coming, so they put the red carpet out.
Welcome to China. Is it gonna be empty? Oh, it is. Grace called it.
Told you so.
是啊，我说对了，你说他加的他。
我是加拿大人，他是
你们俩，他
另外。
的你的女朋友吗？
对。
哎，给你一个。哎，
Carl won't you?
送给你，送给你。
He gave it. He's giving you a book.
送给你，是英国的吗？
哦。
你在哪个大使馆？啊？
This is Grace's favorite Chinese character.
Sorry, but Wudaoying has lost it for me, unfortunately.
Yep.
As you can see, it's pretty dusty and nobody's happy about it.
Well, this used to be the posh Hutong, but not anymore.
No, it's dust central. So we're gonna go and get our feet rubbed. Will's feeling stressed. Why are you feeling stressed? Because he's ticklish!
This is Inception, guys. Do you see Grace's feet?
死皮给他削死皮，那没大没大削是吧？我们不一样，我们用牙削。他是用那个。好，一个够吗？
He's on FaceTime.
Super relaxed right now. No, I'm really trying to concentrate and not crying. It's exhausting.
Oh my god. What'd you bring home? Wine bottle, VR set. Looks like it's gonna be a good evening. Do you want to do an introduction on yourself, Adam?
No, not right now. Ask me tomorrow. I'm gonna get a haircut tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, don't shoot Cedric. That's not nice.
Pretty good art.
It's not very good art. Do people eventually know how to do real art?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, that's the hands.
Yeah, those are. That's super cool. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. It's weird. Then you just draw a really big guy.
Whoa.
Jose's on the move.
Oh, he's building a building.
Are you making an igloo? And doing the shower yourself?
Adam, I love your thing, but